Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. This is probably the quickest video I've ever shot, so let's get right to the point. How can you buy a pound worth of beans, seeds for your garden, for the same price that you would pay for a pack of seeds at your local retailer? And the answer is pretty simple. Go right to your grocery store into the dried bean section. You'll get 16 ounces of beans, 1 pound, and they're going to cost you anywhere from $2 to $3. These are black turtle beans. I grow them in my garden. Black eyed peas, I grow them in my garden. You'll find navy beans, northern beans, cannellini beans, all kinds of different beans. There's probably 25 different beans there. Use your phone, type in how do I grow navy beans or how do I grow northern beans. It'll tell you if it's a bush bean, if it's a pole bean, if it's good for your garden. You can pretty much grow whatever you want. What people say is, well, you can't grow those beans. They're not going to germinate. They're not real seeds. Those are dried beans. Well, dried beans are the same thing that are in your seed pack, that are in the 1 pound packages that you use for cooking. How do I know? I did an experiment. I germinated 10 cannellini beans and 10 of the black eyed peas. They all germinated. So it's not like it's even a question of, do they germinate at all? Is it poor germination? They all germinate. So 10 out of 10 for the cannellinis, 10 out of 10 for the black eyed peas. Great germination. That means you can just use these beans whenever you want. Bottom line. Now, if you go and buy the black turtle bush beans, they're $1.99 a pack. I think these are $2 for a pound. When I bought cow peas, now cow peas and black eyed peas are the same exact things. Varieties can vary and the colors can vary, but they're the same thing. These are $1.58 for a pack. And I think these were $2 to $3 for 1 pound. Store them in a container. They'll last you 3 years, 5 years. This is how you can save a lot of money. Use your beans year after year. You don't need to keep buying the expensive smaller seed packs. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com. And please subscribe to my channel. Nice quick video. It'll save you some money. Thanks for watching.